Good morning children. Today we are going to see three composite function. Previous class we have learned two composite function. Two composite function means we are using the commutative property. Either the commutative property will be equal or else will not equal. So two cases we have shown in that part. But now we are going to see the three composite function. In this case, always the LHS and RHS will be equal. Always equal, because this function is satisfies associative property. This function is satisfying associative property. If we have three functions, then it will be under the condition of associative property only. So in the case, they have given the LHS is F composite G of composite H, which is equal to F composite of G composite H. So in this LHS, we have to take the first bracket function. In this bracket, what they have given? F composite G. First try to find the bracket. So F composite G, which is equal to, what is our first step? We are going to use the same 5 steps over here. Okay. So what is the first step of that composite function? So we have to add the given variable. What is the given variable? X. So we want to add the given variable X. Next step, we have to cancel the composite function. When you are cancelling the composite function, you have to give the bracket. So F of G of X. The third step is whatever you have inside of this bracket, that is called to be inner function, and it is outer function. It is considered to be an outer function. So what is our inner function over here? Inner function is G of X. So in this G of X, we have assigned some value for the given question, is it? So what is that? 3x plus 1. We can give the inner value. So F of G of X, instead of G of X, I am going to write here 3x plus 1. What is the first step? We have added the given variable. Next step, we have to cancel the composite function. So when we are cancelling the composite function, we have to give the bracket. And third step, we have to write the inner function value, that is 3x plus 1. And fourth step, we have to look through the outer function. What is that outer function? F of X. What is the outer function value here? X minus 1. When you are writing the outer function value, you have to give bracket for X. So X minus 1 means I am just giving the bracket for the given value X minus 1. In this bracket, we have to write the above value, that is 3x plus 1. We don't have any number in the outside of the bracket, so that we can cancel the bracket, that is 3x plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So we can write this as 3x. So what we have arrived? F composite G is equal to 3x. What is our LHS? LHS is nothing but F composite G of composite H. The same way you are going to receive this function also. What is our first step? We want to add the given variable. What is our given variable? That is X. So F composite G of composite H of X. I am just adding the given variable. Next step, we have to cancel the composite function. In this three composite function, we'll have two composite. Am I correct? So one is inside of the bracket and another one is outside of the bracket. Whenever you are going to cancelling the composite function, you have to cancel only outside of the composition, not inside of the composition. What is the outside of the composition? This one. So if we cancel this F composite G, so if I am cancelling this composite function, I have to give the bracket. So H of X. Am I correct? H of X. And next step, whatever the inside function, this is our inner function and this is our outer function. So inner function, we have to write the inner function value. So we can keep this value as F composite G. What is our inner function? H of X. H of X value is X square. I am just writing the inner function value. Okay, what is our fourth step? First step, I am adding X. Next step, I have to cancel the composition. When you have a two composition, you have to be very careful to cancel it. So only you have to cancel the outer side composition. So what is the outer composition? This one. Okay, so if we cancel the composite function, you have to give the bracket. So bracket of h of x. And next third step is you want to add the inner function value. What is our inner function value? Inner function is h of x. The value of inner function is x square. So I have given over here x square. And next step, we have fourth step is we have to look through the outer function. What is our outer function? F composite g. In this case, we doesn't have f composite g in the given question. So we have arrived f composite g is equal to 3x. When you are writing the outer function, you have to give bracket for x value. So 3x means 3 into, instead of x, I am just giving the bracket. So in this bracket, you have to write above function. You have to write the value of above function. What is that? X square. So 3 into x square will become 3x square. So f composite g of composite h value is 3x square. Mark this value as 1. In the same way, we want to find the RHS. What is our RHS? F composite g composite h. In the RHS, we have to first find the value of g composite g. So whatever it is in the bracket, we have to find it first. So what is that? G composite h. So in this RHS, we have to find the first bracket value. What is our bracket value? Is g composite h. In this case, first we want to add the given variable. What is our given variable? Is x. Next step, we have to cancel the composition. So when we are cancelling the composition, we have to give the bracket. So g of h of x. What is our third step? We have to write the inner function value. What is our inner function value? Is x square. H of x is equal to x square. So instead of h of x, I am writing x square. And what is our fourth step? We have to look through the outer function. What is our outer function here? G of x. So what is our g of x value? So g of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So when you are writing the outer function, you have to write only the constant numbers. So instead of x, you have to give the bracket. So 3x. So 3 into x. Instead of x, I just given the bracket plus 1. So 3x plus 1. So in this bracket, we have to write the above value. What is that? X square. So 3 into x square will become 3x square plus 1. So this value is g composite h is equal to 3x square plus 1. What is our RHS? F composite of g composite h. So again we have to use the first 5 steps. What is that 5 steps? We have to add the given variable. So f composite of g composite h of x. I am just adding the given variable. Next step, we have to cancel the composition. So in this case, we have 2 composition. So how do we cancel this one? So whenever we are going to cancel the composition, we have to take the outside composition. Only you have to be considered. Not inside of the bracket, you should not take it. Okay. So if we cancel this, f of g composite h of x. The meaning is when you are cancelling the composite function, you have to give the bracket. So f of g composite h of x. What is our g composite h value? That is, we already find it out. That is 3x square plus 1. So instead of g composite h of x, we can write f of 3x square plus 1. So what is our fourth step? We have to look through the outer function. What is our outer function here? F of x. F of x means x minus 1. The given value is x minus 1. When you are writing the outer function, you have to give the bracket instead of x. So it means the given value is x minus 1. Instead of x, I am just giving the bracket minus 1. X minus 1. So in this bracket, we can write the above value. That is 3x square plus 1. So we don't have any number outside of the bracket, so we can cancel this bracket. So 3x square plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. The remaining value is 3x square. So we have arrived for f composite of g composite h is equal to 3x square. So mark this value as 2. So from 1 and 2, LHS and RHS are equal. Am I correct? So we have to write this step also. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Are you able to understand this sum? Thank you, children.